Hello everyone, and welcome to CF Scraper, where our motto is collecting data so you can sleep.
Hello, my name is Gabrielle, I am 20 years old, and I come from France. I studied mathematics for 4 years at University Paris-Dauphine, and I got a Master of Mathematics with honor. My part in this project was the product.
Hello, my name is Daniel Weisberger. I'm 31 years old from Los Angeles, California. I studied mechanical engineering at Cal State University Northridge, and my role in this project was to design the scraper.
Hello, my name is Aviram, 25 years old, originally from Tel Aviv, Israel, and my job in the project was creating the dashboard. And now Gabi will share our training team.
So, many companies are still struggling with lead generation, which is generating leads for potential clients. One company which suffers from this problem is ClickFood. ClickFood is a company that specializes in preventing fraudulent clicks on Google Ads. So their clients are companies advertising on Google, and they want to grow their business and find new leads. But looking for leads manually is so frustrating. So why not automate it? Introducing CF Scraper, an automated lead generator that collects contact information of potential clients from Google.
We implement this project using Django with the Bootcamp core as well. We chose to use the beautiful soup library, which is a Python library, parse HTML. We use storm proxies to prevent getting blocked by Google. And we chose a PostgreSQL database, which we implemented on DigitalOcean server. And now comes the fun part. Let's move to the demo.
Okay, so I'm a ClickFraud's employee, and I'm going to log onto my dashboard because I really want to generate some leads. I want to grow my business. So we're going to go ahead and load up our dashboard here. And what the dashboard is, it allows us to enter keywords. And these keywords are keywords which would trigger a Google advertisement. So good examples are things like plumber, lawyer, things that you would actually find Google ads in like Google search results. So here's our dashboard. You see there's a keyword field which we can enter keywords. Can I get a keyword from the audience? Any suggestions? Did I hear plumber? Let's go with plumber. Great. That's what it is? So, okay, we enter in our keyword, and we're going to choose a location. Avi, go ahead, choose your favorite location. Of course, Israel. There we go. Now, when we generate, all the cities in Israel will get crossed with the keywords which we entered. So we have plumber in all the cities in our database. We may be missing some. Now, let's go ahead and add a priority. The priority will prioritize the request, which means it will get scraped faster. We'll search Google for it. We'll prioritize the search. And let's go ahead and add this to our database. So we're adding this to our database here, and we see we have 270 keywords. And now we can view these keywords and other keywords which we entered in our keyword manager. So here's our keyword manager, and if we sort by the created date, we can see the keywords which we just entered. So we see plumber in Jerusalem, as well as the priority which we assigned. And we also see that this keyword hasn't been scraped, so meaning that we haven't searched Google for this keyword. Now, we do have many results which have been scraped. In fact, we've been running on our production server for the last 3 days, and we've collected 10,000 leads, or 10,000 domains. So that's 10,000 potential customers. Let's take a look at some of these results by going to our domain manager. In our domain manager, we see that we have many domains. We have a flag whether or not the website was crawled or not, which means whether or not we've actually navigated to the website to collect additional contact information. And we also see an ad count, which is like how many paid ads the company is running at a time, as well as a quality score, which is calculated based on whether or not the company, the domain we found, has contact information, how many paid ads they're running, and also the ranking of their results within the Google search results, like the position of the result. So let's go ahead and look at the low end of this spectrum. And we see we have several zeros and 0 ad count. What does that mean? That means that these are organic searches. So we're actually also collecting data from organic results. And let's take a look at one of these in detail. When we navigate here, we see a quality score of 0 and no paid ads, only an organic ad, which is probably not going to be a lead that ClickFrauds is going to want to follow up on. So now let's look at the better results. Let's sort by quality score and look at the highest quality score here. And we see we have rotorooter.com, which has 100 quality score and 12 paid ads, and also many keywords, which indicates that this company's probably covers a large territory. So they're probably a fairly large company. Let's check out this domain here. So we have several ads, we have several phone numbers. They're probably running a pretty large advertising campaign, and it could be a really good lead for ClickFrauds. And so that concludes our presentation. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.